Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. If you're getting ready for the middle school content knowledge exam, this is Praxis test code 5146. You've come to the right place. Praxis 5146 is a multi-subject exam, and today we're zeroing in on literature and language studies. Let's dive into the kinds of questions you'll face and get you set to ace the test. Question number 1. Which of the following is a key consideration when determining the clarity of the main points in an essay? Providing as many details to support arguments as possible. Ensuring each paragraph relates to the thesis statement. Including personal opinions in the body paragraphs. Or incorporating a variety of sources in the research. Providing as many details as possible can overwhelm the reader and obscure the main points. Including personal opinions in body paragraphs can detract from the clarity of the argument if not properly supported. Incorporating a variety of sources is important for research, but does not directly address clarity. The correct answer here is ensuring each paragraph relates to the thesis statement, as this maintains focus and clarity in presenting the main points. Question number 2. The setting of the novel is a farm with poor soil and few prospects of crop growth. However, the purchaser of the farm does not know this, though the reader does. This is an example of which of the following literary devices? Simile, character, situational irony, or dramatic irony. A simile is a figure of speech comparing two unlike things using like or as, which does not apply here. Character refers to individuals in a story, not a literary device conveying knowledge. Situational irony involves a discrepancy between what is expected to happen and what actually occurs. Therefore, the correct answer here is dramatic irony, where the reader knows something that a character does not. In this case, the reader knows about the poor soil and few prospects of crop growth, but the purchaser does not. Question number 3. A student that struggles to string words into a clear and meaningful written sentence more than likely needs remedial instruction on which of the following sets of linguistic concepts: grammar and mechanics, phonemes and morphemes, spelling and pronunciation, or fluency and the alphabet. Phonemes and morphemes refer to the smallest units of sound and meaning in a language, respectively, and are foundational but not directly related to constructing sentences. Spelling and pronunciation are important for writing and speaking accurately, but do not directly address sentence structure. Fluency and the alphabet involve basic reading skills and alphabet knowledge, which are more elementary. Here we see clearly that the correct answer is grammar and mechanics, which involve the rules and conventions for constructing clear and meaningful sentences. Question number 4. During the Renaissance, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. In what way did this invention contribute to the evolution of the English language? It enabled the introduction of Christianity and the Latin alphabet to Britain. It invented woodblock printing for English text and images. The language could be quickly mass-produced and more easily distributed, contributing to the accessibility of knowledge and literacy. Or, it accelerated the English language's evolution from Old English into Middle English. The introduction of Christianity and the Latin alphabet to Britain occurred much earlier, not during the Renaissance. Woodblock printing for English text and images existed before Gutenberg's printing press. Accelerating the English language's evolution from Old English to Middle English happened earlier and not during the Renaissance. The correct answer here is that the Gutenberg's printing press allowed the language to be quickly mass-produced and more easily distributed, contributing to the accessibility of knowledge and literacy. I hope this deep dive into the Literature and Language Studies section of the Praxis 5146 exam has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more study tips and insights from study.com. With our help, you'll feel ready and confident on exam day. Best of luck with your preparation and the test. You've got this.